Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganit Shiksha. As this channel is based on mathematics, so here you will get all the latest updates and more important discussions related to mathematics. Today I am going to discuss with you about most important MCQs and its solutions from the topic triangles of class 10 mathematics for CBSE and ICSE board. So before to start, those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. And I am requesting everybody, please see the full video, otherwise you will miss more important discussions of this chapter triangles. So let's start today's classroom video. Question number 1. D and E are respectively the midpoints on the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC, and BC is 6 cm. If DE parallel BC, then the length of DE is, and you have 4 options. Let's see the answer. Answer is option B, that is 3, and you have the solution also. We know from the midpoint theorem of class 9, if D and E are respectively the midpoints of the sides AB and AC of the triangle ABC, then DE parallel BC, and here BC is given 6 cm. So DE will be half of the BC, that is DE equals to half of 6 cm, therefore 3 cm. So answer B is the correct option. Question number 2. In triangle PQR, if PQ equal to 6 cm, PR equal to 8 cm, QS equal to 3 cm, and PS is the bisector of angle QPR, what is the length of SR? You have 4 options. So let's move to the answer. Answer is B, that is 4. Why is it? You can see the figure of the triangle PQR. Since PS is the bisector of the angle QPR, so by angle bisector theorem, QS by SR equals to PQ by PR. Therefore, 3 by SR equals to 6 by 8, because PQ by PR is 6 by 8. So from there we are getting SR equals to 4 cm. So answer is option B, 4 cm. Question number 3. Diagonals of a trapezium PQRS intersect each other at the point O. PQ parallel RS and PQ equal to 3RS. Then the ratio of the areas of the triangles POQ and ROS is. And you have 4 options. Let's see its answer. Answer is option B, that is 9:1. Why is it? You can see the figure is drawn there, one trapezium PQRS. So since SR parallel PQ, so angle OSR equals to angle OQP. They are the alternate interior angles, so they are equal. Also vertically opposite angles SOR equals to angle POQ. So triangles SOR and triangle POQ are similar by angle-angle similarity. Therefore area of triangle POQ by area of triangle SOR equals to PQ by SR whole square, that we know. So that PQ is 3SR, that has given by the condition from the question we got, by SR whole square, that is 3 by 1 whole square, that is 9 by 1. So the ratio becomes 9:1. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 4. Areas of 2 similar triangles are 36 cm square and 100 cm square. If the length of a side of the larger triangle is 20 cm, then the length of a corresponding side of the smaller triangle is. Now you have another 4 options. So see the answer. Answer will be option A, that is 12 cm. You have the explanation. Let the side of the smaller triangle be x cm. The larger triangle have a side is 20 cm. So as the triangles are similar, so we know the property area of large triangle by area of small triangle equals to side of larger triangle by side of smaller triangle whole square. So that is 100 by 36 is given is equals to 20 by x whole square. So from there we are getting x equals to root under 144, that is 12 centimeters. So the option A is the correct answer. Question number 5. In the given figure, DE parallel BC and AD equals to x, DB equals to x minus 2, AE equals to x plus 2 and EC equals to x minus 1. 4 sides parts as given. Find the value of x. You have the 4 options. Let's see its answer. You can see the option A, that is 4, is the correct answer, and you have the explanation for it. In the triangle ABC, you can see DE parallel BC that has given. So AD by DB equals to AE by EC we can get from the Thales theorem. Therefore x by x minus 2 equals to x plus 2 in x plus 2 by x minus 1. Therefore by cross multiplication we are getting x square minus x equals to x square minus 4. So from there the value of x comes as 4, that is option A. Next, number 6. The length of altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 8 cm is. You have the 4 options. You need to find the altitude of an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 cm. Let's see the answer. Answer is D, that is 4 root 3 cm. The altitude divides the opposite side into 2 equal parts. Therefore BD equal to DC equals to 4 cm. In triangle ABD, AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. So from there if you put the value of AB and BD, you are getting AD square equal to 48. So the altitude AD equals to 4 root 3 cm. So the answer is option D, 4 root 3 cm. Question number 7. If triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF, AB equal to 4 cm, D equal to 6 cm, EF equal to 9 cm and FD equal to 12 cm, then find the perimeter of triangle ABC. We have the corresponding side, so we need to find the triangle ABC's perimeter. You have 4 options. So let's move to the answer. Answer is perimeter will be 18 cm, that is option A. Since the triangles are similar and the corresponding sides as given, so we can find by the Thales theorem AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Therefore 4 by 6 equal to BC by 9 equal to AC by 12. So from the first 2 ratios, BC by 9 equal to 4 by 6, so BC equal to 6 cm. And from the second and third ratio, first and third ratio, 4 by 6 equal to AC by 12, you can find AC equals to 8 cm. So perimeter will be AB plus BC plus AC, that is 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is 18 cm. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 8. Corresponding sides of 2 similar triangles are in the ratio of 2:3. If the area of the smaller triangle is 48 cm square, then the area of the larger triangle is, and you have the 4 options. Let's see its solution. Answer is option A, that is 108 cm square. Why is it? We know the property that if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas is equals to the corresponding ratio of the corresponding side whole square. So that has given area of large triangle by area of small triangle equal to side of large triangle by side of small triangle whole square. So that will be area of larger triangle by 48 equals to 3 by 2 whole square. So that is area of larger triangle equals to 9 into 48 whole by 4, that is 108 cm square. So this is the option A. Question number 9. If ABCD is the parallelogram, P is a point on side BC and DP when produced meets AB produced at L, then select the correct option. you have the parallelogram ABCD where P is a point on the side BC and DP. When produced, meet AB produced at L. When DP is produced, meet AB produced at L. So you need to find which option is correct. So let's see its answer. Answer is option B, that is DP by PL equals to DC by BL. You can see the figure. In that figure you can see in triangle ALD we have BP parallel AD. Therefore LB by BA equals to LP by PD. So BL by AB equals to PL by DP, just changing the order of it. Therefore BL by DC, because AB is DC, AB equals to DC, that is the part from we got the figure, equals to PL by DP. So we got DP by PL equal to DC by BL by reciprocaling the ratios. So the answer is option B, that is DP by PL equals to DC by BL. Question number 10. A tower of height 20 meter cast a shadow 50 meter and at the same time a girl of height 1.8 meter cast a shadow. Find the length of the shadow of a girl. A tower of height 24 meter cast a shadow 50 meter and at the same time a girl of height 1.8 meter cast a shadow. Find the length of the shadow of the girl, and you have the 4 options. So let's move to the answer. Answer, you can see that the option A, that is 3.75 meter. You can see the figure is given, and from that figure you can find in triangle ABC and triangle DEC, both are right angle triangle because angle ABC, angle DEC both are 90 degree because they are the height, so it will be perpendicular, and both angle C is common. So both the triangle ABC and triangle DEC are similar by angle similarity. So we can use the side proportional property. So DE by AB equals to EC by BC. So from there we can find EC, that is equals to DE into BC by AB. So by putting the values we are getting EC equals to 3.75 meter. That's the length of the shadow of the girl. So the answer is option A, that is 3.75 meter. Thank you for watching this classroom video of the MCQs of the most important chapter, triangles. So hope you have understand properly and you need to practice it more. So if you really like it, so share it to your friends, groups and mates, and always write some important comments in the comment box. So thank you for watching.